At around 11:30 a.m., former LRA Commander Thomas Kwoyelo was brought amid heavy security at the International Crimes Division of the High Court. Today, Kwoyelo was granted an opportunity to speak in court and informed the judges of how he is a sickly person who cannot ably handle his several ailments, which include paralysis in his left hand, ulcers, and other injuries sustained during the war, yet his trial has stalled for almost 13 years.
The issue of his ailments, which included high blood pressure and the sort of paralysis on his right hand, right side.
Thomas Kwoyelo also requested the judges to rescue themselves from the case because of delaying to expedite justice. According to Kwoyelo, his former colleague in the Lord's Resistance Army, Dominic Ongwen, was arrested after him and received immediate justice at the ICC, and that he is already serving his 25-year sentence in jail.
My Lord, he stated that Dominic was arrested and arraigned after him, and that Dominic received justice by knowing his fate, and to date he has not known how far this trial is going to go.
Kwoyelo also requested court to have his case heard in Gulu, where it all began.
But he complained about the speed which is used when he's being taken to Gulu, and that the last time he got into an accident where other prison officers were injured.
The judges, led by Justice Michael Elubu, on the other hand, informed Kwoyelo that he was appearing before a competent court of law and that the delays were caused by the processes beyond the jurisdiction of the High Court.
The question of the delays, you realize that for more than 10 years, the delays occasioned were outside the hands of this court. As throughout various proceedings, the matter proceeded all the way to the Supreme Court before it was finally directed that your trial proceed before this High Court.
Court also directed the prison authorities to offer Thomas Kwoyelo the necessary treatment to ensure that he can stand trial.
In your welfare in prison, this court directs that you should receive all the necessary treatment as a ward of the state to ensure that you remain in good health.
He has been further assured that after 14 days of hearing the evidence of 19 expert witnesses in Kampala, hearing of the case will be shifted to Gulu.
So for all intents and purposes, the court is also present in Gulu.
Thomas Kwoyelo, alias Latoni, a former colonel of the Lord's Resistance Army, is facing 93 charges which include murder, hostage-taking, robbery with aggravation, crimes against humanity, outrages against dignity, enslavement, rape, torture, violence to life and person. In 2011, Kwoyelo was granted an amnesty certificate by the Constitutional Court, which the Supreme Court overruled in 2015. Simon Chris Makanga, CTV, PM Edition.